JGE here, and in front of me I have the Galaxy S25, and today we're going to be doing a teardown of this device. These are the tools that you'll need. First thing that we'll do is go ahead and apply heat to the outside perimeter on the back case here. And then we'll use our pry tool to go ahead and start prying up that back cover. Here we are. Alright, what we got here is the PH00. And we have a lot of screws here, so we're going to just go ahead and unscrew everything we can. Alright, we're going to grab a spudger and go ahead and disconnect our wireless charger here. And we'll go ahead and disconnect the battery here. We'll just go ahead and start disconnecting all the other components. Alright, we got two more screws here by the charger port. Now we're going to take our SIM pusher. Go ahead and disconnect the cameras. Let's go with the battery next. We'll just grab our spudger. Lift up these tabs here. There we go, got the battery out there. Alright, next we can pull this antenna out here. And next we're going to get the front facing camera out. We're just going to apply some heat there. Alright, and this is as far as we'll be going. You could continue on and get all these buttons out as well.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.